XRP reached $35,000 after they win the lawsuit. Ripple XRP price chart. SEC lawsuit update. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss about did they reach $35,000 after they won the lawsuit? But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
2020 was a striking year for cryptocurrencies, as it ended with the most prominent bull run since late 2017. Coins reached new all-time highs, with Bitcoin leading the cryptocurrency bull run charge. The price of Bitcoin reached its highest peak of over $58,000, and other prominent altcoins such as Ethereum and Binance Coin capitalized on the market growth. XRP, the native token of Ripple, did not mimic its early 2018 rally when it surpassed $3. However, the financial-oriented payment network increased its market cap during the emerging bull run. In December 2020, Ripple's potential market growth was put to a halt after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple and its executives Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian A. Larson for failing to register the network's native token as a security. The multi-billion-dollar lawsuit targeted Ripple's activity from 2013 onward. However, the filing at the Southern District Court of New York is viewing with skepticism in the crypto space. The lawsuit concerning Ripple's activities from 2013 to the present is slightly peculiar, as it was filed in the final moments of the previous administration and is considered to be a means to stomp on the potential growth of XRP. Although XRP suffered a loss of nearly 60% in price after the lawsuit began, it has recovered despite being subject to scrutiny in the U.S. market and exchanges becoming wary of accepting XRP trades. Most recently, MoneyGram has announced it will halt its partnership with Ripple and the use of its XRP token after the SEC launched its lawsuit. They have joined other well-known companies such as Binance US, Swipe, and OKCoin that have stopped transacting or using XRP, leaving U.S. investors in limbo. Although the market has turned south on the XRP token, analyst indicates the price is becoming stable, with an upward trend and a signal for a potential breakout for the token. At the time of writing, XRP has a market cap of over $20 billion and a single unit price of 44 cents, less than 5% down from the previous week. XRP is still in high demand as exchanges outside the U.S. aim to list the token, although there is skepticism about where XRP will end up. According to Jesse Powell, the CEO of Kraken Exchange, which recently delisted XRP for its U.S. residents, XRP can be a liability for exchanges depending on the outcome of the trial. He stated, if XRP is found to be a security, the SEC would say that exchanges should have known. If that happens, exchanges that operate within the U.S. will face changes as side effects from the ongoing conflict with the SEC. Even though U.S. citizens have limited opportunities to transact XRP on local exchanges, the token is not without support outside the U.S. Ripple Labs Inc. is still creating new business opportunities by expanding its operations with Chinese banks and leading a new ledger project for central bank. The U.S. regulators failed to make more accurate U.S. blockchain regulations. Ripple is considering relocating, as its usability and centralized nature is beneficial for the financial system. Crypto legal expert Jeremy Hogan has named what he thinks is Ripple's strongest defense against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in the lawsuit involving XRP. The SEC has accused Ripple of illegally issuing XRP to investors as a security and alleges that the token is still one today. In a new AMA, Ask Me Anything video, Hogan addresses how the price of XRP has a strong correlation with other crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Cardano. According to Hogan, if XRP were a security, its price should be correlated with Ripple's actions and not with the performance of other cryptocurrencies. The attorney says the correlation with other crypto assets is likely Ripple's strongest defense in their lawsuit with the top regulator. The legal expert points to a research paper from 2018 by Andrew Burney of the Alan Turing Institute that outlines how the price of various cryptocurrencies correlate with each other. According to the paper, XRP is correlated to ADA by a factor of over 70%. As you are aware, the SEC has to prove that XRP is a security, and one thing it will have to show is that its retail purchasers, me and you, are looking to Ripple to increase the value of XRP. And what this paper shows is that the price of XRP is not really correlated to anything Ripple does. In other words, Ripple ended its partnership agreement, for example, on March 9th with MoneyGram, and nothing happened to XRP's price. However, according to this research paper, the price of XRP is heavily correlated with Cardano, 71% correlated according to the experts. Ripple has briefly touched on this part of their defense, but this is the first time I've seen that it correlates so strongly with Cardano. Very interesting. Ripple can announce a great business deal. The XRP price won't budge much, but if the price of Cardano falls 10%, you'd expect to see the price of XRP fall 7.1%. That is not how security acts. I really hope that Ripple has good expert witnesses lined up and statistical correlation. In the ongoing is it or is it not a security debate, XRP finds itself in the center of a much larger discussion. Proponents of cryptocurrencies insist that Ripple Labs has done nothing wrong. Despite their early reservations about the altcoin, blockchain advocates feel they must consider the greater good. If Ripple goes down, the SEC then has the precedent to address other digital decentralized assets. Therefore, all eyes are on the defendant company as it pushes for the timely deposition of former SEC Director William Hinman. In a nutshell, Hinman may have an expert opinion that's favorable to Ripple since he provided clarification regarding Ethereum. Therefore, if Ripple can juxtapose similarities between XRP and ETH with the implication that XRP is a crypto coin, not a security, it further bolsters the defendant's case. In addition, the SEC is also in the hot seat with Senator Elizabeth Warren. A critic of Wall Street establishments, Warren wrote a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler requesting a framework for potential legislation to regulate cryptocurrencies. According to a Reuters report, Warren stated that she needed answers from Gensler by July 28th on the SEC's authority to protect consumers investing and trading in cryptocurrencies and determine what future congressional action was needed. Hence, the problematic situation that the SEC finds itself in. If the regulatory agency admits that XRP is like any other crypto, it theoretically weakens its control over regulatory future of cryptocurrencies, something that Warren is basically demanding. For its part, the SEC claims that ex-director Hinman's prior clarifying opinions about Ethereum and Bitcoin were his own and not of the agency. But in the end, it might not even matter. What arguably should affect your decision on XRP is its technical posture. In my opinion, it's ugly, with the coin struggling underneath both the 50 and 200-day moving averages. Even a legal victory might not change this narrative. The reason is that even if XRP is deemed a crypto coin, regulation can still hit popular crypto exchanges such as Coinbase. Unfortunately, for blockchain proponent, the Ripple lawsuit may not be a one-and-done situation. That is, a win doesn't mean the SEC will forever ignore cryptocurrencies. Instead, with key legislators getting into the mix, this seems like the early innings of a long ball game. Therefore, I wouldn't get too excited about the lawsuit one way or the other. This is the U.S. government we're talking about, and it will find a way to get to you. In a letter directed to U.S. magnate Judge Sarah Netburn, who is overseeing discovery in in the case, defendants Ripple Labs and its executives informed the court that the deposition of former lawyer William Hinman has been re-noticed for July 19th. In cases such as these, the parties that request a deposition has to give written notice to every other party involved in litigation that mentions the place and time of the testimony. The succeeding re-notice filed by the defendant changed the initially proposed date to accommodate Hinman's availability for the same. However, there's perhaps more to that. According to Phelan, the fact that a date has been put down may have been a marker for the court. He added, they're saying to Judge Netburn that they would like a decision denying the SEC's motion to squash before then, so they can make Mr. Hinman's deposition that day. It should be clarified, however, that Hinman's deposition remains an uncertainty, primarily because of the pending motion to squash Ripple's request that was filed by the SEC last month. If approved, Hinman won't be required to testify in the aforementioned lawsuit. The defendant's request to depose a former high-ranking official of the SEC was met with a lot of backlash and resistance from the agency. As highlighted in the past, the regulatory agency believes that allowing such testimony would set a bad precedent, since it would likely deter lawyers from seeking public service jobs. Any such instances have been squashed by the courts in the past, the SEC had argued. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.